Electric machinery and equipment are the backbone of modern industries, powering everything from manufacturing to renewable energy. Export data is more than just numbers. It reveals what types of electric machinery are in demand, where new markets are emerging, and how prices are shifting. By analyzing details like harmonized system or HS codes, trade volumes, and buyer trends, companies can make smarter, faster decisions and spot new opportunities. India's electrical and electronic equipment exports soared to nearly $12.4 billion. In fiscal year 2024-25, a significant increase from $4.7 billion in fiscal year 2017. According to EEPC India, engineering exports jumped 38.5% year-over-year in October 2024. Tamil Nadu led the way, contributing 32.84% of electronics exports. Major exporters include Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery and ELGI Equipments Limited. Export data highlights supply chain gaps, rising demand, and competitive products. It guides investments, shapes policy, and drives innovation in electric machinery. In a digital, automated world, export data is a strategic asset for growth and smarter trade decisions.